Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Your girl have missed local delicacy, like seriously. And I thought of why not just use the ingredients I have and make this delicious Nkwobi right in my kitchen. So I'm just going to improvise a lot of things. So for here I have my dried otazi leaf. Yeah, that's bitter one. That's otazi. So right here I have my ongo. Okay, this is my ongo. I have my red oil. Then I have my woba. We call it opaka in my village. I miss this so much. So this is actually the dried one. I brought it when I went home and when I traveled to visit my grandma, a surprise visit. If you've not seen that video, it's right there on my YouTube channel. So that was when I had the opportunity to buy this and dry it. So I've been using it all this while. So this is my cow leg. Yeah, so I actually cooked this overnight. Like I just cooked it yesterday and today it's soft already. So this is my ehuru. Yeah, this is ehuru. I don't know the English name. This is my ogiri. Very nice from my grandma. This is salt. I'm using Magista. That's what I'm using. Okay, and this is my dry pepper. This is my onion. So let's just go straight to the process. So first off, I'm just going to start with this my ogiri. Okay, it's a bit dry because I've been keeping it beside the fire. If you want it to last longer, I prefer keeping it beside the fire instead of just putting it in the freezer. Okay, I prefer keeping it beside the fire. So I'm just going to go ahead. And just dissolve this, then followed with my seasoning cube. Okay, just going to dissolve this together, then add a little of this. Okay, so this is just going to make the oil to sleep. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this properly, ensure that it's dissolved very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my red oil. Okay, just add enough red oil. This is how we do it in my village. Okay, so that's it. That is mixing up already. So this is actually the process we use to prepare our abacha. If you've not seen my video on that, go and watch it also. So you can see how it's looking. You can actually use this one to eat yam too. Igbo food, we have orishirishi. Our ancestors really tried for us. Like, we have lots and lots of delicacies. So remember that in case you don't have potash, you can just put potash by the side in case this one is not making it to sleep. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this my pepper and my ehoro. So I'm just going to add it with it. Okay, and go ahead and mix it up more. Okay, after mixing that up more, I'll just finally add my uba, everything. Just going to go ahead and add this up. You can see it's looking yummy already. So if you feel like putting more oil, maybe it's not bright enough for you, you can just add a little oil. Okay, if you want it to be thicker more, you can just add more potash or your ungo. So I can see how yummy it's looking already. You can decide to eat it like this if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and add my otazi. So this color is like this because it's not fresh. If you have fresh one, if you have access to fresh one, you can use fresh one. Okay, so I'm making use of what I have. Remember, it's bitter, so be careful of the quantity you put. I'm just going to add a little onions, no, just to, I like onions, so it's not only for garnishing. As I'm eating it, I'll be feeling the onions. You can decide to dice it if you want to. For me, I'm just doing it the way I like it. So yeah, see, if you go to any restaurant and they did not give you something like this, tell them to go and start again. Now that I'm through, I'm just going to have a taste, and believe me, it looks so yummy. Like seriously. So if I had what do they call it? That mortar. I would have just used the mortar to. So I'm just going to go ahead and garnish this with my onions. Yeah. So just a little leaf, you know. So here we have it. I'm just going to go ahead and use hand. They don't use fork to eat Nkwobi. Wash your hands and start devouring it. Like, so yum. Check this out now. Is it not looking yummy and delicious? Like, I can't even lie to you guys. This is so delicious. Try this out and you will like it. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and I will be glad you did that. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.